yummy for your tummy.
You always ask for
Hey family, what's going on today? Look who I got here.
I can't be on your stuff. Remember? I can't be on your
the
damn
mystery
video.
child has been revealed. Well, she been
I ain't
revealed.
been real nothing.
Okay.
Y'all see me in public, y'all still don't know me.
Ain't nobody thinking about her.
I ain't think y'all do.
Look at her. Take a good look. So y'all know who she is. Real good look. No, but we are at Pepe's for lunch.
No, but we are at Pepe's.
Hey family, what's going on? What's going on this afternoon? What it be like? We waiting on our food to come. They have lunch specials here at Pepe's.
That's why I'm cocktail mama. And she'll split your goddamn throat too. Y'all should see how she look.
It's on and pop.
I might like your ass.
Look at them going back and forth.
I ain't never had one. I ain't never had a Mexican one before.
You don't need none.
Do y'all hear light bright over here? The mystery child gave y'all a little burp on the slide.
I ain't getting one.
See, we got to have all positive, energetic vibes going on this channel, okay? Could you tell them?
Who you supposed to be talking like that?
I'm talking to my family.
She better stop playing with y'all for real. Like for real.
I don't know these two kids over here.
Shit, I don't know none of y'all either.
And you hear her, and she's not even the mystery child now. Alexis, look, she brought some more chips. Look at our beautiful waitress.
Oh, thank
She's gonna be on YouTube. She don't know it yet, though. Yes, it is going down. Okay. She probably Where they think they get their personalities from? They get it from their mama.
Come on, doggish.
I ain't even eating that.
Look at them all.
You ate that whole damn bowl.
You ain't been eating. That's your fault.
How?
You heard?
How?
You should not tell me. Go on.
I was 30 damn years.
That's your fault. I'm going.
Got the full effect.
Look, I thought you weren't eating this one.
I'm trying to get to the other.
Well, good for
Y'all
you.
seeing what I have to deal with.
Pull that one over where you at.
This one good too.
That one nice.
This one's good. I saw the wake up.
We were full of laughing. It was raining pretty hard last night.
No, I couldn't sit with y'all. I had to give me a chair.
We had to pull up our chair.
You gonna sit around? Yes, you
How?
can.
Do you see how
I would've
small these
stood up.
damn boots is? Do you see how small he is? Come on, go somewhere.
Come on, the food ain't even out right now. That's all she wanted to do, some mess with somebody.
That's what I had them for. Y'all tell me, is that what y'all had y'all kids for? When they little, you tell them, go get me this, go get me that, when you don't feel like doing it. They're supposed to do it, if they are. When they get grown, you got somebody to go out with. Go out to lunch, go to the stores with, and make them drive you around. Now y'all comment down below as those facts. Listen to Light Bright.
Why would this nigga send me this?
He got ha-ha. What did he send you? Let the family see. What did he send you?
Doo-doo.
Look at this, y'all. Who
Some
was
ice
in there?
cream?
Doo-doo.
That's really nasty. Now,
And then somebody sent us a screenshot. Calm down. I told no send goes to my
Who is
phone.
Earl?
Don't do that to my phone no more.
Who is earmuff?
Earmuff.
Who's that?
dun, dun.
Who is that?
Nobody.
Dun, dun.
Hell no.
Oh.
Who is that?
I still don't know who that is. That's what
I'm not telling you that.
Wow. You don't want to say
Cause that
something.
ain't nothing.
You probably don't say something. Don't leave it there.
Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun.
Mama, go on. Like, come on now. Don't do that. Don't do
I ain't thinking about her. She don't run none. I'm the mama. She's not the mama. She's the child.
Shalom Banjul.
It's a long bank jewel.
I go see the little boo.
Polly Boo Boos. Polly Boo Boos.
Shalom Banjul.
I ain't thinking about them. Y'all see them eating these chips. You know the chips that they give you with the sour.
I ain't never been here. I ain't been here. Mommy, so good. Mm-hmm. You said anything. Anything.
See, this is why I can't wait to hurry up. And got there. I can't wait. Man, look.
She gave y'all 2 burgers. What you got to say to the family?
Nothing. I can't say nothing anyway. Nothing.
You know what? I'm through with her.
I don't. You've been through me. Look.
Look at you. Go ahead, dip it in there. Go ahead.
Mama, come on. Cause my damn head already look too big for my damn body right now on this damn.
Your mama
She can't help it.
No,
She
it's
got-
my damn head.
She got my forehead,
No, you got
her
mama
daddy
forehead.
eyes,
I'm
my
glad I ain't
cheeks.
got no forehead. I just got a big head. I ain't got no
She got half and half.
A corner of you in a hole of my dad. I don't know which one.
That's no lie.
Just like you being dead.
I don't like him. Well, Washington, they know my dad. I don't like him.
I don't like man either.
Damn, that's terrible. I love my daddy though.
I do too.
But he's
I
not
wish he
here.
was. I wish he was here.
I mess with that head too.
What y'all miss about y'all granddaddy?
How funny you were. Every time we walk in, he'll be crying. That's how you bust me up. You not doing my baby.
That's what I miss about my daddy too. Y'all see it's taking a long time for the food.
I'm here. Vacuums and what they vacuum?
I don't know.
See, they probably killing people in the vacuum center and feeding us to death.
No.
It's ground beef. I believe ground beef is ground beef.
Stop playing now. Don't do that before we eat. And she's here.
What you think we eat in Chinese?
Rats and dogs and
We
cats.
eat people too.
Yes.
Oh, yeah.
We probably do
I
eat people.
believe that.
You believe I do too.
I don't care every time I eat.
That's why sometimes you get sick on the stomach. Sometimes you might get a little sick on the stomach. You might think that's some beef meat,
Good. How?
and it could literally be some ass meat. You don't know. They posted up, Chinese people were selling rats.
Shit, I don't care. We've been eating restaurants. How long?
Yes, we have.
Shit, they be good.
We eat animals anyway, period. So what makes it any different? Damn, she letting out some good burps. Oh, shucking now.
Taping everything, huh?
Look at there. Yes, look at there. She got it going on. Look at this. Look at this. Shut your mouth.
Yes. Anything else for you ladies? I'll bring another silverware.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
Okay, enjoy.
Enjoy. You gotta stop complaining.
Look like some cheese.
Family, look at this. Just keep that close.
I don't like being heavy.
Look at there.
You got yours over there.
I think just use that knife.
You, huh?
Y'all have to have a little sour cream on that. Look at him dissecting the food.
Well, just try it. See, you don't like it enough either.
Y'all family, she over there dissecting.
That's
Look.
why I ain't want no damn, I just want some.
I check all my damn food. I don't look. Look at her dissecting. Look at her checking it. Light bright ain't dissecting nothing. Look at her. She putting hers down. She putting it down. Y'all see what she doing?
I just got fried.
Family, I'm just gonna eat mans. Look at here. 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 Look at here.
Like they got it off when they
Who be fake?
Don't do that. Don't ask me who be fake, but you know I'll tell they say their name. Now, I ain't gonna do
No,
that.
don't do nothing like that. Don't do nothing like that.
Don't do nothing like that. I don't
do nothing.
care. Like you just post up.
Well, some
pictures,
people I guess that makes them feel good about
but
themselves.
you post up pictures like you get it all, or post up stuff like you just did. You done you know.
But in your man, you be like that, okay? Ain't nothing wrong with dreaming.
Like that. No, hell no. You need to wake the hell up. I'm trying to live that damn dream.
No, I'm gonna do it.
Sometimes people do that to make themselves feel good, make themselves feel important. Ain't nothing wrong with that. They figure that one day they gonna get there. They figure they gonna get there. They gonna get there. I have faith in peoples, okay? Y'all look at this enchilada with the lettuce and the beans.
You try not to think about any other bad stuff.
I know my ass is good.
Yeah, it's good.
It's just real stuff right there.
That's the
It's all good in the hood. It's good. Why she do that? Yes, it is. It's marvelous. It's just marvelous. It's just marvelous. Look at this. Beans with a little cheese on it.
She is not making it out that front door. Or y'all go in that bathroom.
Cool.
Huh?
Yes, I am. Put a light right over there, smash. Playing mystery.
I got some fried Fritos, y'all. I was simply. Y'all know usually I'll be extra.
Always extra.
I ain't extra right now, though.
Her new name, she went from Mystery Child to Noonie. That's my Noonie. That's her name. So when y'all hear me say that's my Noonie, then y'all know who I'm talking about. That's my Noonie.
Called her when she was little.
When she was little. She's talking about her cousin named her that.
Oh,
He named her that name.
who gave me the name Tuk Tuk?
And old Tookie Duke. Tookie Duke was like right. Old Tookie Duke.
They used to sing the damn song you come through the
Tookie Duke. Tookie Duke. Tookie Duke. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Nothing wrong with that. Ooh, Lord Jesus. I so love these specials.
I roll me a wood when I get done.
Always specials.
A wood?
I don't care one. I don't care what you do.
What you say?
I don't care what
I'm gonna punch you in your throat.
you do. What? I just said I don't care what you do.
What you gotta say to the family?
Shalom and jewel.
I'm a Salon Banjour, her ass. She keep on saying that. Salon Banjour. Salon Banjour. What the hell is Salon? And she giving y'all, the Noonie is giving y'all some good burps. That's the mystery child. Her new name is Noonie. She looks like a goddamn Noonie too. Look at her.
I do some real nasty stuff right now, so leave me alone.
Who is she threatening?
Oh, God. Damn.
Who is she threatening? Who is she talking to? Lena, how many did they give you? Not enough.
They did give me enough. I'm sure. Probably like 8 of them. 6.
8 of them. God damn. Oh, took it,
These
dude.
ain't number
That's
5
light bright.
Y'all act like I'm on a whole plot like y'all.
I ain't got nothing up there plate on. I got 2 damn minutes left.
Y'all got beans. Y'all got rice.
I ain't eating this damn. I ain't eating that. I'll probably eat a little bit of the beans, but I'm not eating no damn the rice. Hell no. I can't eat the rice. Man, stomach hurt. Mama gone somewhere.
I ain't going no damn well.
Burp.
She need to let it loose.
It ain't coming though.
It's gonna come out, hit it in the chest.
Mommy, you don't go. Eat your food.
Who she thinks she talking to, y'all?
Obviously, she talking to you. Eat your food.
I'm gonna knock her ass in the chest in a minute.
And I'm gonna sit right over there in that
Special, real special.
Family, I'm just messing with my kids. I'm blessed by the best. I cannot complain. Cause times like this, you do not get them back.
Why they didn't give us guacamole? They gave you guacamole.
Come with her.
And I'm so glad I have a relationship with my kids. A lot of people can't say that. Look at it.
You keep
What?
your guacamole, man.
No, I don't want it. I'm trying to put this one down. I'm trying to
That was a good one, wasn't it, y'all?
I'm trying to be nice with this thing stuff.
The belt ain't on. Sir, your belt.
Well, family, I share my afternoon with y'all with Tookie Duke, which is light bright, and Noonie, the mystery child. And I gotta leave y'all with that note. And I'll be tuning back to y'all later. Later, alligator. If you have not subscribed to the Yo Faith family, please subscribe. Please comment down below. Make sure y'all hit that notification so y'all can join us when we come back on. Do you hear me? Do you hear me? What you got to say, old Tookie Duke, which is light bright?
Hasta luego.
What you got to say? We'll be seeing y'all later on that note.